Alright, that one's running. Yeah. But our front AC is not. Doesn't feel warm or anything. Power's on. Let's see what happened. So we're missing a leg, I think. Alright, so I'm not getting a ground anywhere. But I was missing a leg. I don't have fuses, but yet here I have 211 across all three. So I don't know if this disconnect doesn't look great. And nothing was tripped downstairs either, the breakers. So hold on. Well guys, I found our problem. This thing is all messed up. That one broke off right now. I have the power disconnected, but this thing is just falling apart. I'm gonna try and get them going for now, see how I can wire it up, and then I gotta get all this stuff. Alright, so I don't have one of these on me. We're just gonna carefully get them all together. My thumb's already hurt. You know, make sure they're intertwined good, insulated with a lot of electrical tape on the wire nut, because we're dealing with high voltage here. But just to show you how bad these were, I didn't even have to take these screws off. This thing is just falling apart. So I'm gonna finish fixing this. They still got fuses over here in the back. This is just like a little terminal block that went straight across to, you know, to the wires that are going that way through the fuses and then back in. So it's not that big of a deal. We still have fuses, but I will come back for this and we'll fix what we can in here. All right, so my dad came in clutch. Actually, he had a spare one, so we hooked it up. Just make sure it's all tight. And right now I'll just check the electrical and make sure everything else is good. And just based on the age of this unit, I'm not gonna worry too much about it. It was probably just a loose wire, or you know, something with this being how old it was. So yeah, I think we're good now. All right.